Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 2.3 The Twins from Standard 10th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 2.3 द ट्विन्स या कवितेचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Rewrite putting the mistakes in the speaker's life in their proper order. या कवितेमधील निवेदकाच्या जीवनातील घोटाळे त्यांच्या क्रमानुसार मांडून पुन्हा लिहा. Answer 1. No one in the family could distinguish twin babies. 2. At the naming ceremony, wrong names were given to the twin brothers. 3. The speaker got beaten up at school. 4. The speaker desperately asked for guidance. 5. The speaker's bride became his brother's wife. And 6. Even in death, the twins were not spared during burial. Next question. Question number 2. Pick out 4 situations in the lives of the twins which are too absurd and senseless to believe. या कवितेतून त्या जुळ्या मुलांच्या जीवनातील विश्वास बसणार नाही अशा हास्यास्पद व मूर्खपणाच्या 4 घटना निवडून लिहा. Answer 1. As they were being washed by the nurse, they got completely mixed. 2. The speaker's brother got the name John intended for the speaker. 3. The speaker's intended bride became his brother's wife. And 4. When the speaker died, the neighbors came and buried his brother John. Next question. Question number 3a. Complete the web diagram. खालील जालतक्ता पूर्ण करा. Poet uses humor to answer, create laughter, to entertain readers, to create good mood, reduce boredom, to have a sense of humor and make readers happy. Next question. Question number 3b. Write any 2 lines from the poem that you find most humorous. या कवितेतून तुम्हाला सर्वात विनोदी वाटणाऱ्या कोणत्याही 2 ओळी लिहा. Answer 1. For somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. 2. When I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Next question. Question number 4. Pick out lines that contain. कवितेतून खालील बाबी समाविष्ट असणाऱ्या ओळी निवडा. क्वेश्चन. ॲलिटरेशन म्हणजे अनुप्रास अलंकार. ज्यावेळी अध्यक्षरांच्या ध्वनीची पुनरावृत्ती होते त्यावेळी ॲलिटरेशन म्हणजेच अनुप्रास अलंकार होतो. Answer A. In form and feature, face and limb. B. It puzzled all our kith and kin. C. One day to make the matter worse. Next question. पण म्हणजे श्लेष अलंकार. ज्यावेळी एकच शब्द वाक्यात 2 वेगवेगळ्या अर्थाने वापरला जातो तेव्हा पण म्हणजेच श्लेष अलंकार होतो. A. I grew so like my brother. B. That folks got taking me for him. नेक्स्ट वर्ड. हायपरबोल. हायपरबोल म्हणजे अतिशयोक्ती अलंकार. म्हणजे एखादी गोष्ट अतिशयोक्तीपूर्ण किंवा चढवून सांगणे. Answer A. For one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul knew which. B. My brother John got christened me and I got christened him. C. And when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Next question. Question number 5. Pick out from the poem sets of words that generally go together. या कवितेतून साधारणपणे एकत्रित वापरले जाणारे शब्द शोधून लिहा. Answer 1. Form and features. 2. Face and limb. 3. Teeth and kin. 4. Turn the tide. 5. Fate's decree. 6. Close resemblance. 7. Domestic life. 8. Absurd mistake. And 9. Fearful pitch. Next question. Question number 6. Write in your notebook the summary of this poem in about 15 to 20 lines in your own words. मित्रांनो, या कवितेचा सारांश तुमच्या स्वतःच्या शब्दात 15 ते 20 ओळीत तुमच्या वहीत लिहा. You can suggest another humorous title. आणि या कवितेसाठी दुसरे एखादे विनोदी शीर्षक सुचवा. Answer. Title: A Foolish Resemblance. The poet Henry S. Leigh has placed the twins at the core of this poem. The central idea of this poem is based upon the confusion of identities with identical twins, and problems could be faced by identical twins in a funny way. To begin with, even relatives and friends seem puzzled, constantly mixing up the two brothers just before their christening. As they were being bathed by the nurse, they were switched mistakenly and got each other's names. At school too, the brighter of the two, the poet, gets beaten by the teachers for John's mistakes. The poet asks everyone to suggest ways to prove his identity. Things get quite serious when the poet's bride-to-be marries John. The ultimate mix-up happens when John is buried accidentally instead of the poet who has died. All the problems are so exaggerated that they create humorous effect. Next question. Question number 7. Write an appreciation of the poem with reference to all the points mentioned on page 5. मित्रांनो, तुमच्या पाठ्यपुस्तकातील पान क्रमांक 5 वरती दिलेल्या मुद्द्यांच्या आधारे या कवितेचे रसग्रहण करा. Answer. Title. The title of the poem is The Twins. Name of the poet. The name of the poet is Henry S. Leigh. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the poem is AABB. Figure of speech, alliteration, hyperbole. Theme or central idea. Answer. The central idea of this poem is based upon the confusion of identities with identical twins. The speaker expresses his sorrow with humor that he has been confused with his brother his entire life. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 2.3 द ट्विन्स या कवितेचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.